Create a comfortable and efficient soldering and repair space with the Strabo silicone mat crafted from high-quality soft silicone that withstands temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting your workbench from heat damage. It features 3 magnetic zones for metal components and screws along with non-magnetic areas to safeguard precision parts from interference. The mat includes 7 accessory zones, a dedicated tool section, and 70 compartments for screws, small parts, and tools. Its non-slip surface on both sides ensures stability, while raised edges prevent parts from rolling off. Resistant to dirt and corrosion, it can be easily cleaned with water or alcohol, and its flexible design allows for easy folding or rolling for storage. Additionally, it comes with built-in metric and imperial rulers for precise measurements. Mutt Tools 17-piece folding Allen wrench set is a compact and reliable solution for DIY projects, bike repairs, and archery adjustments. It includes both SAE and metric hex keys, making it versatile for various tasks. The folding design keeps the wrenches organized and easy to carry, reducing clutter in your toolbox. Made from durable materials, these hex keys provide a secure grip and precise fit. Whether at home or on the go, this set is a must-have for quick and efficient repairs. Freud Diablo carbide-tipped impact bit is designed for maximum performance and durability. Its impact-resistant head withstands extreme heat up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent and even carbide wear. The precision tip enhances stability, allowing for quick and accurate drilling. An optimized groove design efficiently removes dust, keeping the carbide tip cooler for enhanced strength and longevity. This bit is perfectly suited for use with SDS Plus and SDS Max mains and cordless drills. Evo 42 magnetic drilling system is a dependable choice for demanding industrial tasks. Powered by a high-performance motor, it effortlessly drills through high-quality steel with a 3/4-inch shank diameter and a 5 1/6 inch stroke length. It supports cutters up to 1 5/8 inches and twist drills, making it perfect for applications like bridges, I-beams, and framing. The built-in magnetic drilling cooling system enhances drill and cutter longevity. Despite its lightweight yet durable design, it comes with a carrying case for easy transportation to job sites. AIG Tri-Laser Level Line Tool is a must-have for precision work, whether you're hanging pictures, aligning cabinets, or tiling walls. It projects a clear cross-line laser, ensuring straight and level results every time. The built-in 8 feet 2.5 meters metric ruler adds extra convenience for quick measurements. Compact yet durable, it's easy to use and works great for both DIYers and professionals. If you need accuracy and efficiency in one tool, this is a fantastic choice. Drywall panel lift is a must-have tool for lifting drywall, reaching heights of up to 16 feet for ceilings and 19 feet for walls, with a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds. Constructed from powder-coated all-welded steel, it features durable 3x4-inch caster wheels for smooth movement and a locking mechanism for enhanced safety. The built-in winch brake ensures secure operation, while its quick assembly and disassembly design requires no extra tools. This 11-foot lift is a practical and portable solution for contractors seeking efficiency on the job site. WeTool's 21-in-1 multi-tool is a versatile and durable gadget perfect for outdoor adventures, DIY projects, and everyday tasks. With self-locking pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and more, it's a compact, all-in-one solution for any situation. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. Whether for camping, repairs, or emergencies, this tool is a fantastic gift for dads, husbands, or any handyman. A must-have for anyone who loves practicality and preparedness. Multitool 7-inch Sonder is a powerful and versatile machine built to enhance sanding, finishing, and polishing tasks. Equipped with 5 distinct work surfaces and a durable 1-horsepower motor, it effortlessly tackles both commercial and everyday projects. Designed to work with 2x36-inch sanding belts, it features a quick change system allowing seamless transitions between sanding and polishing. The front contact wheel ensures precise sanding and contouring, while the top plate delivers smooth, flawless finishes. Additionally, the slack belt area underneath is ideal for blending and shaping, and the adjustable mount supports both horizontal and vertical operations. This 115-in-1 precision screwdriver set is a must-have for electronics repair modding and DIY projects, with magnetic bits designed for delicate work on iPhones, laptops, game consoles, watches, and eyeglasses. It ensures precision and efficiency. The ergonomic handle and flexible extension shaft make hard-to-reach screws easy to handle. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this set is built for professionals and hobbyists alike. A compact and organized case keeps everything secure and ready for any repair job. Fletcher Flexi Master Point tool provides a professional and efficient solution for frame assembly, especially for applications that require frequent artwork or photo changes. Designed to install flexible flexi points, it ensures quick and secure frame back removal. Its reinforced polymer body and minimal moving parts enhance durability, while the adjustable firing spring adapts to different wood densities. The magazine holds up to 170 staples, and the rear stabilizer improves accessibility. Lightweight and featuring an ergonomic rubber grip with a full-size trigger, this tool reduces hand fatigue and enhances comfort during extended use. This 131-piece magnetic screwdriver set is the ultimate toolkit for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It includes precision screwdrivers, a ratchet driver, hex keys, and pick and hook tools, making it perfect for repairs, assembly, and maintenance tasks. The magnetic tips ensure secure fastening, while the ergonomic handles provide comfort and control. A durable plastic ranking storage case keeps everything neatly organized. Whether for home project automotive work or as a thoughtful gift, this set is a must-have. Streamlined diagnostics and maintenance with a top-down thermal imaging camera designed for high-precision detection. This high-resolution device boasts a 2.8-inch screen, a temperature range from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 662 degrees Fahrenheit, and exceptional thermal sensitivity of 0.5 degrees Celsius, allowing it to detect even minor temperature variations. Built for rugged durability, it is water-resistant and can withstand drops of up to 6.6 feet, while an LED fill light enhances visibility for safer operation. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 12 hours of use, and its compact design supports both standalone operation and PC integration, making projection and image downloading effortless. Cartman 148-piece tool set is a must-have for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Packed with high-quality wrenches, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, and more, it covers all essential repair and maintenance tasks. Each tool is heat-treated for durability and neatly organized in a sturdy carrying case for easy storage. Whether working on a car, home repairs, or general projects, this set offers versatility and reliability. A perfect all-in-one toolkit for professionals and beginners. FPO brush set is an ideal choice for heavy-duty cleaning and surface preparation, making it perfect for removing rust, corrosion, and paint. Designed for various applications such as automotive work, woodworking, and metal projects, these brushes come in different shapes to tackle tight or hard-to-reach areas with ease. Crafted from hardened, twisted steel wire, they offer exceptional durability and pressure resistance. Featuring a universal quick-change shank, they are compatible with most drills, adding efficiency and convenience to your cleaning tasks. This DEWALT tool belt is a game-changer for any serious worker. The heavy-duty construction feels incredibly durable, and the 25 pockets provide perfect organization for all my tools. The padded suspenders distribute weight evenly, making long hours on the job much more comfortable. I love how adjustable it is, ensuring a secure and customized fit. If you want a reliable, well-built tool belt that keeps everything within reach, this is the one. Enhance your woodworking precision with the Craig Portable Crosscutter, engineered for accurate 45-degree and 90-degree crosscuts on materials up to 8 inches wide. Its sturdy construction and sharp blade allow seamless cutting through plywood, MDF, and solid wood. Featuring built-in measuring scales and adjustable stop blocks, setup is effortless for precise length cuts, while the anti-slip pad ensures stability during use. Designed to be compatible with most circular saws, whether left or right-handed, this tool provides smooth operation and easy portability, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go woodworking projects.